guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Curly Girl Faith, and we're back at it again with another video. In today's video, I'll be switching it up and doing something a little different. As you guys can see, I'm so excited. I'll be trying out this sleek bun with this ponytail clip on. It is something new. You know your girl never keeps it boring around these streets, okay? You feel me? I need y'all to do one more thing before we go ahead and get into this video. I lied, it's about 3-4 things, but you guys will be able to do it in a few seconds. Let's go ahead, hit that like button, go ahead, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I post once a week and you don't want to miss out. Now let's get into this video. I'll be starting this hairstyle on blow dried hair. I had just got my hair trimmed and that was an exciting experience because it was my first time getting it professionally trimmed. Girl, look at those ends, period. So for the first part of this video, I'll be doing my bun, and the second part, I'll be adding on the drawstring ponytail. As you guys may have known, I have type 4 high density hair. So my hair is not just gonna go back in one ponytail and just be flat and laid how I like it. I have to do it in sections. So I'll just be sectioning me off a piece in the back and laying that and then adding on to the ponytail. When starting the ponytail, since my hair is already blown out and it's already flat, I'm not going to add any gel to this back section, but I am going to use this hard bristle brush to lay down my hair. And I'm just going to add this scrunchie, tight but not too tight to where it's pulling and hurting your hair. And then I'm going to go on to the next piece. So I'm just going to be repeating the process. I'm going to section it off. Then I'm going to go ahead and lay that piece down. This time I will be adding the Wetline Extreme Gel. Then I'll be brushing it and adding it to my first ponytail. This ensures that I will not have any humps, lumps in my bun. This bun will be flat as hell. Every time I use this technique to get my buns laid and slayed, it never steers me wrong. I'm in the military, so I do wear buns every now and again. And this is the perfect technique if you want to make sure your hair is laid. If you guys use this same technique, please let me know in the comment section below. Also, I do have a video on how I do my military bun. It is the same technique and I'll link it above for you guys. Now, I know y'all see how flat my freaking ponytail is. And do you see the length on my ponytail? Can we just say growth? So now I have to decide whether or not I'm going to do a middle part, whether I'm going to go ahead and do a little side part action. Probably not. I don't like my head shape, so I'm going to just go ahead and go with the middle part. Now, since this is the middle part, you want to make sure you get a rat tail comb and you want to make sure your line is nice and straight. You don't want a lopsided middle part because that's lame. For this front section, because I want to make sure it's going to be laid nicely, I'm just going to comb it / brush it out with this Felicia Leatherwood brush just to ensure that all the knots and tangles that I might have gotten, make sure I get them out. So you guys know that water reverts your hair. So I'm going to just go ahead and go with a thicker gel just so my hair won't revert back as quickly and my hair will be able to lay down as flat as possible. So I feel like every natural know that when they're putting their hair in a ponytail, when it gets to the top, we got to put in that work. Make sure our hair is flat. Make sure they don't have any tangles, any knots. We want that flat look and we got to work for it. Also, around your edges, you want to make sure you take your time. Don't brush too hard. You don't want to lose your hair, but you do want flat hair. So believe it or not, this whole process literally took me like 6 to 7 minutes to do. It is really easy, but as long as you have a technique, everything will go by smoothly. Okay guys, so once you get that last ponytail, split my hair into 2 and I just did a big twist, and then I'm just gonna wrap it around and just make a cute little bun. Nothing special. So a big disclaimer, I am not a edge queen, edge god. I just know how to make my edges look neat and cute, that's all. So this is real basic and real simple. Sometimes my edges have their days, sometimes they want to behave, sometimes they don't. So that's why I don't stress myself trying to make them perfect. So I did notice some hair sticking up, so I just went in with a few black bobby pins. It will blend in so perfectly. And then voila, your hair is laid. Okay, now for the fun part. I have the Freetress Equal Drawstring Ponytail in Bohemian Fro in the color 2. This is my first time using a drawstring ponytail. I am excited and scared because this could go wrong real quick. This could go wiggy real quick, and I do not want that. So we're gonna make sure we get this looking real natural. Inside of the ponytail, they have 2 clips, one at the top and one at the bottom. When I clip it on, I'm just go ahead and slide it on top of my bun, and then I'm gonna slide the bottom one up at the bottom of my bun. It's real simple. This protective style also gives you a break from your natural hair, and you get to spice up your styles. This style is very user friendly, and it takes your style from basic to baddie in just a few minutes. After you have secured those 2 clamps in your bun, you're gonna go ahead and take the drawstring, pull it in tight but not too tight. You don't want a headache. And then you're gonna wrap it around your bun to make sure it is secure and tight and out the way. An even better way to make sure your ponytail is natural, you're gonna go ahead and grab you a piece of hair and you're gonna wrap it around so everything is seamless and it actually looks like your hair. Excuse me, y'all, but I was just too happy. Like, come on, ponytail. Another way to make my hair look more natural, I'm just gonna spritz a little bit of Eden Body Works oil into my hands and I'm gonna just run it through my hair. And I'm also gonna pick it out. I want a little bit more frizz to resemble my hair and to get a little bit more volume. I'm so glad I tried this hairstyle. I just cannot. Okay, last but not least, you're gonna tie your edges down. Make sure you lay them bad boys down for at least 5 to 10 minutes or they're not gonna last and all your hard work is gonna go to waste. Shout out to Impressions of Beauty. I am a campus ambassador at Southern University and I love my scarf. I use it all the time. So now that that is all tied up, I'll be back with the finished look. It's not a game, it's a race. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. This is what she is looking like. I am so excited. I never did a ponytail, but I'm glad, I'm stepping out my comfort zone and bringing new content, you guys. I don't want to be boring, okay? I want to be the reason why you go ahead and click that subscribe button, which you should do now. I'll wait. Go ahead, hit it, and hit that notification bell. But yes, y'all, like, ooh, I feel like I'm about to just, and this bad boy ain't going nowhere. Let me know if you guys tried this. Peace out. So far, so good. I'm loving it, and this look like it's mine. You feel me? Like, hey. But yeah, if you guys love this video, you guys like this content, please give me a big thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell. I post once a week and you don't want to miss out. See y'all in the next video. Bye.